Hey there, tech buddies. Today we have got our hands on the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and we are going to unbox it right here, right now. Let's not keep the excitement waiting.
And there you go. There's the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And voila, here they are, sitting snug in this sleek charging case. Now, at first glance, I think the design screams elegance. Oh man, but this feels premium. Samsung has gone all out with dual drivers in each bud, delivering fantastic bass and clarity. And oh, the 24-bit high sound quality is bound to make your audio experience surreal. Now, let's talk juice. These buds offer up to 20 hours of playtime, and with the case, guess what? The case supports wireless charging. That's right, no string attached, literally. The touch controls are intuitive and the sensitivity is spot on, making it a breeze to control your tunes and take calls on the go. The active noise cancellation is competent, immersing you in your own world of music away from the hustle and the bustle.
There you go, folks. There's a lot more to delve into. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for a deep dive review. Got any questions or something you'd like us to cover? Drop it down in the comment section and we'll cover it for you.